Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can message the PayPal customer service. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to contact the support, you will be needing first to search for the help section or the support section in your application. In my case, I'm using the PayPal web app and it will be similar to the mobile app. Basically, the first thing would be is to go to help. So from the help, we will be able to find the support section. So by clicking on help, we will find here the help center. And basically, this is about your personal accounts because there is the personal account and the business account. Depending on the type of your account, you will find different section or different content. So as you can see here, first of all, you will start finding all these information. Those are just some sports articles of PayPal where you can find some or where you can read about some problems that you can find like payments, transfers, dispute limitation, yeah, problems about account, for example, how to change anything that you would like, account status, etc. And basically, if you want to contact the support, here you will find more ways we can help. So basically, here you can go to the tax center so you can get your tax documents, technical help to find out how PayPal works for your business. And basically, this one can also be a contact support dependent on the type of your problem. So as you can see, either you can get personal help, that means you will be contacting a support agent, it can be a developer resources, and there is also the message center. So as you can see, you can send, receive, and view your PayPal messages. And also we can find it here on the more ways we can help. You can go to the message center, and basically a chat will be created. So basically, here there is no messages. You can just click on Ask PayPal or just go to the Contact Us. So let's click on Ask PayPal Assistant, and this is the Contact Us. So if you want to contact, you will need just to start creating and talking, and it will give you some choices. And from there, you will need just to select to contact support agent, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.